going to do interpretation of this graph, not without even looking at the questions. And then I'm gonna start with this one. If we're told to solve this where the two graphs meet, how will we go about it?
Equating the two graphs, fx is equal to gx.
Correct. We're gonna say fx is equals to gx. And when we equate the two graphs, what are we solving for?
The point.
Oh no, are we solving x or y?
Y?
No, x. You're gonna find x. So when you write down the two equations, so meaning here you're gonna write this equation of gx, which is x squared plus 2x. And then here at fx, you're gonna write the fx one, which is this one. Gonna write it there. Can you see? It's x's everywhere, x's everywhere. So you are solving for x. Then you're gonna get the x values, two of them, one for here, the other for there. And then once I have x values, let's say here I got the x value maybe 2. Here I got -2. How then will I get the y value, which is there? How do I get the y value?
Y-intercept.
No, here.
How do you get the y value for given the x?
Yeah.
You substitute those numbers into the equation.
Correct. So already I got the answer -2 due to this. So I can get the y. Every time I can get the next one, the partner, just by substituting this one into any of the equations. I can substitute the x here or there to get y. You know that gx is equals to y.
Yeah.
Fx is also equals to y.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So now if they say calculate B, calculate C, calculate A, how will you go about it? The what?
X-intercept.
Correct. And x-intercept, what do you do?
Set y equals to 0.
Correct. Y is equals to 0. And now let's come to the turning points. If they say calculate the turning point, what is the formula you will use?
Should I tell you the formula?
Yes.
Y equals to A bracket X. For that one, plus P bracket square plus Q.
Okay, so this formula, we only use it if we are given the turning points. Given. So if we were told this is 4, this is 8, we use this equation to solve the equation of the parabol.
Okay.
I'm going to use this. So if they say find the equation of parabola given the turning points, you use this. But if now we don't have the turning points, like on E, but we are already given the equation, as you can see here. We are already given the equation, but we want the turning points. Then what's the formula?
Oh, minus b over 2a.
Must say x is equals to,
X is equal to minus b over 2a.
yes. And this x is the x here. So the coordinate of E, the x as the turning point is this one. That's what we are solving. If we want to get the y, what then will we do?
Substitute x
Where? This graph
to
or this one?
that gx.
Correct, because this parabola is gx. Yeah, proper. Yeah, that's interpretation. We analyzed what could happen, what they could ask before even doing the questions. Now, let's attempt the questions.
Okay.
So, write down the coordinates of f. Okay, so now they are asking us to write the coordinates of f. Write down these coordinates. What are the coordinates of f?
Here we can use the y-intercept because also the x is equals to 0.
Okay,
Yeah,
so which
so
equation will you use? Will you use this equation or this
the
equation?
fx.
This one.
Yeah,
Correct. So we're gonna say fx, and then with this one, x becomes 0, right?
yeah,
So where there is x, we put 0. A times 0, b times 0, plus 15 over 2. So this one is 0, 0, 0. So my y is going to be 15 over 2.
yeah.
The next question, determine the coordinates of C.
So wait, since that one is 1 mark, do you also have to show you're working out, or just you can just put the coordinates since yeah.
Yeah, and the coordinates is going to be 0 and 15 over 2. Yeah. You must get used to showing coordinate. This always show makings always. So now they say find the coordinates of C. So when we find the coordinates of C, what comes to mind?
X-intercept.
Using which graph?
The gx.
Correct. My y be 0, and then x squared plus 2x. Then we solve for x, can take out x, common factor. Then we left with x plus 2, and then x is equals to 0, or x is equals to negative 2. So which one comes here? What are the coordinates of C?
Negative 2.